I want to tell you how we made $40,000 in 2 hours. This is not clickbait, this is not a lie. I have proof to show you, and not only that, it all makes sense and it is such a cool story. So I want to tell you exactly how we did that in this video. But before I get into that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make business videos and my aim is trying to get to 10,000 subscribers at the moment. It's really hard and I feel like you can help me if you like my kind of videos. If you like business videos, then just keep watching my videos, you'll love them. And this is all part of my 100-day content challenge. I'm posting a video every single day. So let me get right into it. What am I talking about? Well, I've written some notes here. I don't even need the notes really because I know exactly what happened. But we were an affiliate of a company, okay? I'll tell you the name of the company soon. But we basically, the question probably is, how did you make $40,000 in 2 hours for them? Well, I'll tell you from the beginning, okay? It's not gonna be a long story, but basically, I made YouTube videos. I still make YouTube videos, but for a long time I've been making YouTube videos, and a company emailed me and said, we really like your videos, we'd love to partner up with you. So they wanted me to be an affiliate. Now this is a very common email I get. I get these emails a couple of times a day at this point. However, the person who emailed us, we actually used their product at the time. So we were like, this is quite cool. We actually use your tool. This is really interesting. We would love to do some sort of partnership with you. Now, they wanted me just to pretty much talk about them on my YouTube channel and that was it. Then I get affiliate commissions from that. We were like, no. Let's do something that's actually gonna make some money. So we said to them, why don't we do a webinar for you, okay? We can do a webinar. Oh, and by the way, the 40,000 in 2 hours, it gets better than that, way better than that. And I'm talking adding an extra 18 grand onto that, but for another 2 hours. But I'm gonna tell you about that in a second. So they said to us, can you make us YouTube videos and you get affiliate commissions and all that kind of stuff. I was like, yeah, but we could do more than that. So I said to them, they didn't really understand what webinars were or any of that kind of stuff. So I said to them, why don't we do a webinar? I explained to them what it was. I said, it's an online web class. You have a huge list of 100-something thousand people. So you can just email that list saying, we are doing a webinar, we are doing training. And on this webinar, we will do like an hour of training or an hour and a half of training, and then we will pitch your tool for half an hour, okay? Which is exactly what we did. We ran a webinar with them. We agreed on affiliate commissions of 40%, okay? Or I think it was 40, it could have been 50 at that time actually. It's changed a few times with this company. But either way, we no longer work with them, but that's another matter. We agreed on a webinar, we agreed on a date, all of this kind of stuff. Okay, we didn't have to do anything. Okay, this is the brilliance of affiliate marketing. We planted a seed in their we planted an idea in their brains of doing a webinar for them. We told them what we could achieve on this webinar. We told them what we have achieved on our webinars. And we said, you have a list of 100,000 people, utilize it, use it. So what we did is we did a webinar. We ended up having 600 people listening to us on that webinar. It's not actually that many, consider how big their list was, which was a bit of a shame. We probably could have done triple that amount if we had the full 2,000 people on the webinar. But anyway, we ended up having about 600 people listen to us. And yeah, I'm gonna tell you how it went. We talked about their tool. Their tool, I'm gonna tell you, it was called AMZ Scout. I'm sure you know what AMZ Scout is at this point. I don't think there's anything wrong with saying that really. It's a great tool. Well, we used to use it a lot. I'll talk about that in a minute. Anyway, we spoke about their tool. We made a custom webinar just for them. It took Josh, I don't know how long to make this webinar, a couple of hours to make this webinar. And then we did the webinar, we replied to all the comments, we did whatever, we did the webinar. The webinar was about an hour and 20 minutes long. It wasn't actually that long of a webinar. We spent the last half an hour pitching the tool, the special lifetime version of the tool for, I think at the time it was $200 or $179. I don't remember how much it was. This was a while ago. And then sales started coming in. They came in and they came in and they came in, and it blew up. Okay, it blew up to the point that that webinar made $40,000, around $35,000 to $40,000. I can only base it on my commission because my commission will show about 20-something thousand. And then I'm just like adding a bit because I'm talking about the full revenue of the webinar, so the money they made as well, the tool, okay? So that webinar made around $40,000 and it was amazing. They called us the next day, they were like, this is brilliant, there was such a huge spike in sales in our business, we want to do these all the time, it's great, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, whatever, things derailed and their leadership and their business and their structure changed a bit to a point where we weren't happy anymore working with them, so we didn't want to work with them. And they didn't want to work with us really. We just parted ways. But that's besides the point. How did that extra 18,000 come in? Well, I know that's what you're thinking about. So we did this webinar for them, and then, well, that was over. We got our affiliate commission. But not only that, everyone who signed up to the webinar, so there was 2,000 signups, or no, I lie, sorry, there was about 3,000 signups, something like that, 3,500 signups. Can't remember the numbers off the top of my head. They'll pop up on the screen if I can find the screenshots. But there's about 3,500 people who signed up and about 600 and something, 670 people who actually showed up. So of those 3,500 people, they went to our email list. These are new people to our email list. And with those people, we were able to do another webinar for our course, right? 𝐲𝐬 University, which is a brilliant course and I just love it, right? We were able to do a webinar to those people, and from that we were able to sell 𝐲𝐬 University, okay? Which did really well as well, which was able to bring in a further $18,000 in, well, I would say revenue, but it is kind of profit, in another webinar. So we're talking about another 2 hours of work here, and we were able to do that. Now, the reason we were able to do that is because we've had a successful Amazon business. We have a successful Amazon business. We do this kind of stuff. I have my YouTube channel. It's all fitted into place. Right, what do I want to tell you here? I want to tell you, if you want to get into affiliate marketing, or Amazon for that matter, start now, because you never know when your big break is going to be. I made YouTube videos for over 1.5 years before they contacted me. As soon as they contacted me and we got into it, it blew up. My YouTube channel didn't blow up, but the business blew up, and we made a lot of money from that part of the business, right? So you never know. So you should 100% start your affiliate marketing career if you want to do that today. Start it right now. And you never know, in 6 months' time, in a year's time, you could be picked up by something. You could be picked up by a news article, by another affiliate, by a brand, by whatever it may be, and that could be your big break, right? So take this as advice to get started straight away, because you have no idea. I had no idea that this person was going to contact me because of a video I made ages and ages and ages ago. Like, I'm talking ages ago. And they saw the video and they liked it, so they contacted me. And that is how things happen. Because I put the content out there all those years ago, it got picked up and someone saw it and then they acted upon it. So that is what you can do, especially with affiliate marketing. And I've just shown you, literally, affiliate marketing is not that hard. It's actually really easy. And I am gonna make more videos on affiliate marketing. And actually, I'll have a box here where I tell you how you can make $100 a day with affiliate marketing. It's a really, really good video. It's getting a lot of love on YouTube, and it's just a brilliant video. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I want to tell you. I want to tell you about our little affiliate story that was able to earn us a lot of money. And that was one webinar. We've done a lot of webinars with them, a lot. And that screenshot was from that webinar as well. So we've done a lot of webinars with them. It's been good. And from those webinars, we've done a lot of our own webinars. So it's been really, really good, and I love it. But again, the reason we've been able to sell our course is because we've seen success in it. We've learned Amazon, we've done all of that. However, if you want to go and sell our course as an affiliate and earn 50% commissions, you don't need to do Amazon. You can use all of our results, all of our stuff to sell the course. If you take the course and you love it, then 100% you can sell that course and earn 50% affiliate commission. It's really that easy. Literally, all you have to do is put up a YouTube video with a review, or a blog if you don't want to get on video, just as a review, and then link out to the course. That's literally, there are so many people I can name that do this for a living and earn a serious income. So what's stopping you? Let me know in the comments down below what you think about this concept, what you think about becoming an affiliate marketer, and if you like this kind of video and if you want me to do more kind of videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.